Welcome to the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5, where we bring you the latest in advocacy, impact, and justice in just 5 minutes. I'm your host, Aisha.
And I'm Aiden. Today we've got 2 important stories to discuss: immigrants facing massive fines and why attorneys should be paying attention to Google reviews. Let's dive in.
First up, there's been a shocking development in immigration enforcement. Some immigrants are receiving notices of intent to fine them nearly $1 million. Can you break this down for our listeners, Aiden?
It's pretty alarming, Aisha. The Department of Homeland Security, specifically ICE, is issuing these fines to immigrants who have remained in the country after receiving removal orders. We're talking about 998 per day, which quickly adds up to astronomical amounts.
I can't even imagine receiving a notice like that in the mail. What options do people have if they receive one of these notices?
They do have rights. Recipients have 30 days to respond in writing or request an in-person interview. It's crucial they don't ignore these notices, as challenging as they might be to face. Consulting with an immigration attorney is absolutely essential.
This seems to be part of a broader trend in immigration enforcement, right?
Exactly. It reflects the tightening of immigration policies we've seen under various administrations. It's not just about the individuals directly receiving these notices. It sends a chilling message to the wider immigrant community.
I'm hoping community support networks can help those affected. People need to know they're not alone in facing these challenges.
Absolutely. Immigration attorneys and community organizations are mobilizing to provide resources and support. Information sharing is critical right now.
Switching gears to our second story, it's about how attorneys can use Google reviews to grow their practice. This might seem like a completely different topic, but it's really about access to justice too, isn't it?
It definitely is. The legal marketplace can be intimidating for potential clients, and reviews help bridge that gap. According to recent insights, law firms with more Google reviews tend to attract more clients.
That makes sense. People want to know what they're getting into, especially with something as important as legal representation. What strategies can attorneys use to get more reviews?
One interesting approach is using what's called micro-commitments. Instead of directly asking clients to leave a review, attorneys should first ask for permission. Would you please mind taking a few moments to write a review for me? This simple approach significantly increases the chances of getting reviews.
That's smart. What about attorneys who say they're too busy to focus on collecting reviews?
That's where automation comes in. Setting up systems, whether it's email sequences or having staff help with the process, ensures a consistent flow of review requests without taking up too much attorney time. It's about working smarter, not harder.
And this directly impacts client acquisition?
Absolutely. It's social proof in action. Potential clients rely heavily on others' experiences when choosing legal representation. Reviews serve as that crucial trust factor that can convert someone from considering your services to actually picking up the phone and calling.
I imagine setting goals would help too. Knowing where you are with reviews and where you want to be.
Exactly right. Attorneys should track their current review count and set realistic targets. It creates accountability and a way to measure progress over time.
These 2 stories might seem unrelated at first glance, but they both highlight different aspects of our justice system. One about challenges faced by vulnerable populations, and the other about how legal professionals can better serve clients.
That's what I appreciate about our coverage at the Justice Pro Network. We look at justice from all angles.
That brings us to the end of today's Daily Deep Dive in 5. Thank you for joining us. If you found this information valuable, please share it with others who might benefit.
And remember to visit justicepronetwork.com for more in-depth coverage of these and other stories. We're Aiden.
And Aisha signing off. See you tomorrow for another Daily Deep Dive in 5.